The APEX standalone indicator system features easy sensor setup and configuration. We will begin the sensor setup process by installing the batteries in each wireless sensor. Both the APEX anti-2-block switch and wind speed sensor feature a thumb twist battery compartment, allowing users to easily change the 3.6-volt lithium battery without the need for tools. The battery compartment is located on the bottom of each sensor, protecting it from the elements. To open the battery compartment, twist the cap 90 degrees counterclockwise. Insert the lithium battery with the negative side first. Then close the compartment by twisting the cap 90 degrees clockwise. Repeat this for all other sensors. The indicator and all sensors come with an antenna, which should be installed by hand on the device. Ensure that the antenna is positioned perpendicular to the boom, not towards the cap. Tools are not required for tightening the antenna, as this may cause damage. The standalone indicator uses a magnetic-mounted antenna. This antenna can be mounted anywhere on the machine, as long as it has a clear line of sight to the sensors and is oriented horizontally, parallel to the sensor antennas. Be mindful of the length of the antenna cable and ensure that the cable is not pinched or kinked, as this could also impact wireless performance. Now let's connect the sensors. Each component has a pairing button for easy connection. We will start by connecting the anti-2-block switch. While in the Sensors menu, press the pairing button on the back of the standalone indicator for a full 5 seconds, then release it. The LED will light up yellow. Immediately after, press and hold the pairing button on the anti-2-block switch for a full 5 seconds, then release it. The LED on the switch will turn yellow, and once connected, it will briefly become green before turning off. To add additional sensors, repeat this process. When it's necessary to replace a battery, you won't need to pair the wireless sensors again. Reconnection is only required when changing a sensor. If you need to disconnect a sensor, return to the sensor menu. To disconnect a specific sensor, press the sensor's pairing button. For example, to disconnect the wind speed, hold its pairing button for 10 seconds. The LED will turn red and the numerical ID will disappear, indicating that the sensor is no longer connected. To disconnect all the sensors at once, press the pairing button on the back of the standalone indicator for 10 seconds while in the sensor menu. When the LEDs turn red and the numerical IDs disappear, this confirms that all sensors have been disconnected. With its simplified sensor setup process, the APEX standalone indicator system ensures seamless integration with your application.